What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to make $300 a week straight from your phone. Okay, so each method I'm going to be going over, I've proven and tested. I'm going to show you some of my actual income reports on some of them. And if you want to check any of these out, I'll have a link down there that'll take you back to our website, and it goes in depth on each one of them. All right, so the first one I'm going to pull up here is stock trading with Robinhood. Now, I'm sure everyone out there has heard that you can make money with stock trading at some point. And the truth is you can. So this account I have right here, over the course of the year is up about, $1,600. Now with stock trading, it definitely takes money to make money. But if you can save up, even just a couple $1,000s, you can start making money with stock trading. Now there's so many different ways you can make money with it. But the cool thing about Robinhood is that you can start with as little as $5. There are no commissions on here. And this is a skill that, you can learn, and it's gonna help you, basically to earn extra income with basically doing as little as possible. So, I do recommend stock trading to everybody, but it does take a little bit of money there to make money, just so you know that. Now, the next method I'm gonna be showing you, you can actually get started fairly cheap, and it's gonna be with affiliate marketing. Now, this is where you're promoting things via a YouTube channel like this, an Instagram account, a Facebook page, a blog. Those are some of the main ways to do it. But I'm just gonna pull up my Amazon affiliate account. And this is just one of my accounts, by the way. I have 3 different Amazon affiliate accounts. So this one I'm going to be pulling up in the last, let's see what it is, in the last month. It's done about $750 for me. Now this is completely passive. I've made money doing absolutely nothing. So just with this method alone, you can see that it's fairly powerful. 750 bucks for not doing a whole lot it's pretty good. You know what I mean? It's not like super good, but it's gonna, basically just with affiliate marketing, I definitely clear that $300 a week, but I just wanted to show you what's possible with it. Now, where I recommend you get started with the training for affiliate marketing is going to be with this dude right here. Now, I've learned from him over the last couple of years. He's a super smart dude. His name's John Cristani, but he's got a course that'll really, help you out with getting started, whether you're a beginner or you're experienced. I think he pulls in about $1 million a month promoting things online. It's crazy. He sells a course, he does affiliate marketing, and it's nuts. So I'll have a link down there if you want to check out his course. And you got to invest some money into his course to get started with it, but you're gonna definitely save yourself a lot of headaches later down the road trying to figure out everything by yourself, and you'll save yourself some time, which is really what it's all about here. So take my advice on it. Check him out. He's basically like an internet marketing genius, and I've learned a lot from him. Okay, so the next app we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be with Bovada. Now, I'm a huge Texas Hold'em player. I've been playing for the last 15 years. I would say in the last 12 months, I'm probably getting close to around 15,000 in profit playing poker games straight from my phone. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true. I'm gonna load these guys up. So there are a couple different places that I do like to play, Hold'em, Bovada, and Ignition, but I'm gonna be focusing on Bovada for this video. Now, as far as, the poker goes on here, they do 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. So they do have, quite a bit of, different tournaments you can buy into here. So anyways, I've got to kind of log into my account, so bear with me here. I did want to kind of just get into a quick game and maybe just kind of go all in a little bit, or just show you basically the platform for Bovada, because it is pretty freaking crazy. All right, so anyways, let's just check out some of the cash game available here. So I don't have a lot of money in this account, so I kind of have to just buy in with what I got. So I'm just gonna load up a table so you guys can see, basically how this looks. Now, when you're playing on your phone, you will be limited to 1 table at a time, but honestly, it's not a big deal. You can definitely focus on things a lot better than you normally could. Let's get that volume turned up. So as of a recent update, Bovada now lets you change color tables. It's pretty awesome. You can change the decks. Basically everything on here is customizable now. Like I said, they've got, a ton of tournaments you play on here, cash games, everything. They've been around for the last 7 years. So they're highly reputable. They've got fast cash outs on here, so you can cash out, via Bitcoin, check. It's pretty crazy stuff, and it's fun. So, we'll get one hand in here real quick with this Jack 9 suited, because it does look pretty. I'm not gonna lie, this one's looking real good. As long as nobody goes all in or does anything crazy, I'm definitely gonna make this call so we can see a flop with it. Let's see what player 2 does here. Come on, man, just make the call or fold. I want to see a flop with this. All right, that was not a good flop for Jack 9 offsuit. So I'm probably gonna give it up, but you know, you can definitely make pretty good money here if you have a knack for, you know, playing poker. Does help to play stakes that are a little bit higher. I do like to play 1-2 no limit cash games quite a bit. I don't have enough money in my account right now because I haven't redeposited in a bit, but this is definitely you know, a really good place to you know, try to earn some extra money on your phone. I got pocket sevens. I got to see one more flop here, guys. So we're gonna take it to the flop. Hopefully, like I said, as long as nobody just shoves or anything, and hopefully we hit a 7 here, which would be awesome. All right, got a little bit of a raise here by player 3. Player 2, what are you gonna do? Sevens? No 7, guys. Was really hoping for that 7, but we got nothing here. It's too bad. Let's see what player 3 does here. Oh man, I guess I'll come along with one more card just because I'm trying to hit that 7, but we didn't hit it. All right, let's see if player 3 goes with another continuation bet on us here. Probably just have to give it up if he does. He's kind of a jerk. All right, he checked it. I don't think he's got anything. Oh man, he definitely hit that ace though. It's too bad for us. It's too bad. All right, I'm gonna give it up to him. All right, I'm gonna take it back to the my home screen here. Okay, so I've got a couple more ways you can, you know, get some of that extra money trying to get to that 300 mark. Inbox dollars, I've gone over, you know, the last couple of days. This is a great place to earn some money fairly easy. So let me just take it to the options here. Now you can see that I've got around 357 in my account right now, but you can use inbox dollars to play games, take surveys, watch videos. It's like one of those points to cash apps. The cool thing about inbox dollars is that it's free to download, and as long as you're using the app a little bit every day, you can definitely make anywhere from 50 to 150 a month with it. So you're not going to be able to make all your money on that one, but you can make a little bit of money from it, so I do recommend it. Now the last 2 apps I put on here are going to be robo investing apps, because I think it's a good idea that if you can start to make money with some of the first probably like 3 options that I showed you, you can definitely, you know, start investing some money in some of these robo advisors. Now M1 Finance is basically one of the coolest robo advisors out there. You can choose your investments on here and create pies. This is all managed for you, so you don't have to do anything. It's kind of like a set and forget. Try to save up some money for this one. I would recommend saving up at least $1,000 to put in there to get started with it. Then of course Acorns is another, you know, robo advisor that you can make a little bit extra money with. Okay, so let's just recap here for a second. So if you want to make, you know, $300 a week straight from your phone, start with Robinhood. You can start, you know, investing some money. Try to save up at least a couple of $1,000s. It will take a little bit of time to get good at it, but after, you know, probably like a few months, 6 months, a year down the road, you could start making some consistent money stock trading. And then the second one is going to be affiliate marketing. That's a really powerful way. You can make a ton of money with that. There is a learning curve to it though. I showed you one of my Amazon accounts that's made $750 without me doing anything other than work I've previously done. You can make money through a YouTube channel, you know, an Instagram, Facebook, or a blog. Those are going to be some of the top ways for the affiliate marketing. But John Crestani's the dude that you want to, you know, check out, you know, to get started with that method, because honestly, you know, he's doing $1 million a month. And I think I would say probably a third of that is going to be just from affiliate marketing. So like that's a ton of money. And then of course, inbox dollars, you know, playing poker on your phone. You got to have a knack for that though, but it's pretty good. It's a pretty good way to make money, especially if you like to play Texas Hold'em. Bovada is really reputable. And then my 2 robo advisors, M1 and Acorns. Now, if you want to check any of these out, I'll have a link that'll take you back to our website. It's got in-depth, even more in depth than I've talked about on each one of these if you want to learn about them. If you could hit the like and share on this, I'd appreciate it. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.